15 Essential ChatGPT Prompts for Project Managers. ChatGPT, an advanced AI-powered language model, ready to revolutionize how project managers interact with their teams and manage tasks. Project management prompts tailored specifically for ChatGPT, designed to facilitate engaging conversations, automate routine tasks, and improve overall team productivity. Conversational task management. Conversational task management. ChatGPT prompts play a pivotal role in automating routine tasks, providing a platform for task assignment, progress tracking, and status updates. Team collaboration and communication. ChatGPT presents a transformative approach to enhancing these critical aspects by offering prompts specifically designed for fostering collaborative environments. ChatGPT project managers can bridge communication gaps, promote inclusivity, and encourage open dialogue within their teams. Project milestones and goal setting. ChatGPT prompts, tailored for project milestones and goal setting, emerge as instrumental tools in guiding project managers through this crucial process. Deadline management and prioritization. Project managers to initiate conversations focused on deadline management and task prioritization, fostering a strategic approach to project timelines. Project managers can engage in discussions that aid in setting realistic deadlines, allocating resources efficiently, and adapting to shifting priorities. Customizing ChatGPT for project-specific needs. Customizing ChatGPT prompts for project-specific needs emerges as a strategic imperative for project managers aiming to enhance the utility of this powerful tool. Conclusion. In conclusion, the integration of ChatGPT prompts into the project management landscape introduces a transformative approach that addresses key challenges faced by project managers. Embracing the potential of ChatGPT prompts signifies a forward-looking approach to project management, where innovation and collaboration converge to redefine the landscape of successful project execution.